Namaskar. Hello, my dear NEET PG aspirants. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am breaking down one of the most important escapes in NEET PG counseling, that is choice feeling. Most students mess this up and end up regretting their seats. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fill your choices in a smart, effective and strategic way, so you get the best possible seats as per your rank and score. Before we start, remember this golden rule: your choice list decides your entire life. So don't copy someone else's list, don't rely on rank calculators. Build your list based on your branch preference, college quality, fees, location, stipend, workload and clinical exposure you are going to get from this. To avoid confusion, use a very clean and effective method. I call this a 3-layer strategy. Layer 1, dream choices. These are your ambitions, top college in your favorite branches. Even if chances are small, put them on top. And don't worry, MCC always try to give you your highest possible choice. So putting dream option first is 100% safe. Layer 2, realistic choices. These are the college you have a genuine chance of getting based on your last year's closing rank and your category. This is most important layer where your actual allotment takes place. Layer 3, backup choices. These are your safety options. Choose college with high closing ranks of your preferred branch. But remember, never add a choice you are not ready to join. Every college you add should be checked on 7 important parameters. Number 1, clinical exposure, that includes OPD and IPD load. Number 2, stipend, whether it supports your cost of living or not. Number 3, fees. Does it align with your budget? Number 4, bound. Does the college has any bound? Number 5, workload. High workload means more hands-on experience. Number 6, strength of specialty. Every college is not good for every branch. Layer 3, backup choices. These are your safety options to choose. Choose college with high closing ranks of your preferred branch. But remember, never add a choice you are not ready to join. Every college you add should be checked on 7 important parameters. 1, clinical exposure, that includes OPD, IPD load. 2, stipend, whether it supports your cost of living. 3, fees, tuition fees, does it align with your budget? 4, bound, does the college has any bound? 5, workload. High workload means more hands-on experience. 6, strength of a specialty. Every college is not good for every branch. 7, hospital infrastructure, that include good number of hospital beds. We can provide you this data and can save you from 3 years of frustration. Now that you have your choices arranged like this: first, always prioritize your branch. Choose the specialty you want the most. Second, then within each branch, arrange college in this order: government college first, then semi-government or colleges, deemed university, then top private colleges, then medium private and low demand private colleges. Third, after you finish your first branch, repeat the same for your second preferred branch. This ensures Your list is structured and your favorite specialty always comes first. Before finalizing, ask yourself one simple question for every options. If the seat is allotted today, will I join it? If yes, keep it. If no, remove it. If not sure, push it down. This avoids regretting later. Most candidates make this mistake that they create a very low, very short list. Don't do that. Make a list 80 to 150 choices. MCC does not punish you long list. More choices means more safety. Let's now discuss some common mistakes you must avoid while choice filling. Copying topper list, adding branches you don't want, not checking fees and bonds, mixing up similar college names, blindly following third party resources, not adding enough backup options. Avoid these and you are already ahead of most candidates. Once your list looks perfect, save it, check it again, and then lock it carefully. Take a screenshot or PDF of your final list just for your own record. So that's the complete strategic method of doing choice filling in NEET PG counseling. If you want, we can help you with choice filling based on your rank, category, and preferred branches. Just comment your details below. All the best for your great allotment. Thank you so much. Namaste.